Today I want to show you a cozy ground floor maisonette located behind the main square in the old town of Carini. Along the way we find the Chillur restaurant, where you can enjoy fantastic Sicilian cuisine. As you can see, the streets are clean and tidy. The quality of services is improving day by day here. A motorcycle and scooter mechanic is available if needed. The fact that the property is just 1 minute walk from the main square means easy access to all the services. In fact, here we arrived. Let's take a look at the façade of the entire building, which, as you can see, is in a fair condition. Now it's time to explore the property. The minute that we step in, we deal with this big and bright living room, from where it's possible to access to the bathroom on the left, that, as you can see, is equipped with a bath that can be quietly replaced with a shower. On the corner, the kitchen. And finally, on the back, the bedroom. What is nice about this room and about the living room as well is the presence of the vaulted ceiling. So here and here. A final sight of the area. The mountains on the back. And part of the dome of the cathedral on the front. Talking about the renovation costs, since it's clear that this property needs to be refurbished, consider that it's possible to do everything with approximately 10,000 euros. If, for example, you look for high quality materials, then the price could go higher. But I don't think in general, according to my experience, that the budget that you have to use to make a such job could overcome the 15,000 euros in general. From Carini and this lovely property, it's all.